everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylefit with Janani. Hope you are doing well. I'm Janani and I love creating videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. So today's video is all going to be about winter skincare. So today I'm going to share some of the must-have skincare products and how you can transition your skincare products as your skin type can sometimes change from summer to winter. So for example, my oily and acne-prone skin changes to a combination skin type during winter season. So this is how I transition and change my skincare products to keep my skin healthy and supple. So I'm going to share about those with you all. So let's get into the video without any further delay. Basically, for winter skincare, I use products that have humectant and hydrating and skin calming properties to keep my skin healthy and supple and also acne free. Basically, I keep the products lightweight, but it should have some hydrating properties in it like hyaluronic acid or Cica, ceramides, centella and so on. And it should be lightweight, it shouldn't be heavy. So that's what basically I look for in skincare products during winter season. So first category is cleanser, right? This is the one cleanser that I always go for. Any season, any skin type, this is just so good, you guys. I have like oily to combination skin. My brother has combination to normal skin. My mom and dad has normal to dry skin. So we have almost all skin types in my family, but all four we use this particular face wash every single day and it's just so good. For my evening skincare routine, especially during summer, I use salicylic acid face wash. But if you're looking for a good salicylic acid face wash as you have acne prone skin, but it shouldn't be drying, right? So I would recommend you to try out the Foxtale acne control cleanser. It is a very gentle, again it's a gel face wash, but it does not strip off the complete moisture from your skin, but it does the job so well. So that's why I really love it. I don't have the packaging right over here, so I will leave the picture over here. So if you're looking for a good salicylic acid face wash that isn't drying on your skin, then this is just the one for you. And this is just the one for any skin type. This is the Dot and Keep Barrier Repair Plus Hydrating Gentle Face Wash. So it has 5 ceramides and Japanese rice water. So again, as I said, it has ceramides. So it is quite hydrating. It does not strip off complete moisture from your skin, but it does the job so well of cleansing your skin completely, and that's why this is just so good. This is the bigger tube and I've emptied n number of tubes, and that might say how much good it is, right? So for cleanser, this is just so good. So the second step is a serum, right? So basically you can definitely use your salicylic acid or a regular glycolic acid serum for weekly exfoliation, but for other days I always look for serum that is very lightweight and it also should have hydrating properties in it. So first product that I always love, and it is just my ideal skincare to keep my skin healthy and supple, and it is from Plum. It's their Cica and HYA-BETAINE vegan mucin essence. So this helps to hydrate, calm down and revitalize my skin so well. It has some amazing ingredients in it and it helps to keep my skin again hydrated. It helps to keep my skin healthy. It repairs the skin. It is just one of my go-to product. It is a 100 ml bottle and this is the third bottle. So it's like my must-have and go-to skincare product in my second step of my skincare routine. So this is just so good. If you're looking for one product to keep your skin hydrated, supple and healthy, then this is just one for you, and it is just, oh my god, I absolutely love it and I can keep on speaking about it. Next, I have a good anti-pigmentation serum that works on your pigmentation as well as it hydrates my skin so well, and I'm speaking about this PhD 2% alpha arbutin serum. So basically it has 2% alpha arbutin, it has Thyrobrite, it also has tripeptide and hyaluronic acid. So basically it just does all the hydrating, repairing, and it also helps with pigmentation, uneven skin tone, dullness and so on. So this is like a multitasking serum that I really love. I've been using it for 1 to 2 months now and it just works so well. I also have a detailed review on my Instagram reel You can go and definitely check it out to know the before and the after results of it. And this serum is a very lightweight serum. So let me just show it for you. So can you see how lightweight? It's just like water, very lightweight but hydrating at the same time. I really love hydrating skincare nowadays, especially during winter. So if you're looking for a good depigmentation serum that also has hydrating properties in it, this is a must-have. Do definitely give it a try and I'm sure you will love it. The third step is a moisturizer, right? So in summer, we people with oily skin used to use these kind of oil-free moisturizers. But for my skin, even though I have oily to combination skin, my skin feels like it does not provide the complete moisturizing properties to my skin that I really need. So I switch on to these moisturizers like the simple hydrating cream moisturizer. This is a very lightweight gel kind of a moisturizer, but it provides so much of hydration and so much of moisturizing properties to my skin without keeping my skin heavy or greasy. So that's why I absolutely love it. This is also an empty, it's almost an empty, only 2 to 3 uses more are there, so I'm not able to show you the texture right now, but it's so lightweight, so gentle. It provides the correct nourishment that my skin needs. Yeah, this is my third tube and that much say it is so good, right? So if you're looking for a very good gentle moisturizer, it is also great for almost all skin types. Even if you have sensitive skin, this is so good. Yeah, you can definitely give it a try. I have another alternative moisturizer that I really love. It's from Shesha Ayurveda. It's their Kumkumadi Brightening Day Cream. So it has the name Creme in it, but it is very lightweight. It's like a gel kind of a moisturizer and it is so good. It's almost an empty. Can you see? It's almost an empty, but this has a very lightweight gel kind of a texture. Can you see? It's very lightweight. It's like light lotion but gel kind of a texture. Once it is blend, it just keeps my skin hydrated and moisturized for a long time without making my skin look heavy or greasy. So that's why I really like it. Can you see? It looks hydrated, but it is skin-like and it is so good. It does not feel heavy or greasy at all. And yeah, this has some amazing ingredients like Kumkumadi and some other good brightening ingredients to keep my skin bright, healthy and supple. Yeah, I and my brother absolutely love it and it's just so good. So the last step in our skincare routine is definitely a sunscreen, right? So many of you can think during winter, I do not need a sunscreen because there's not going to be much UV rays. But it is completely wrong, guys. You definitely need a sunscreen, either you are indoor or outdoor, either it's a summer or winter. Any season, anywhere you are, you definitely need a sunscreen. And I have some beautiful recommendation. During summer season, we always tend to go on with a matte sunscreen, right? But I completely avoid matte sunscreen during winters to keep my skin again hydrated, because my nose areas become drier during winter and those matte sunscreen, it just peels off or it doesn't work or it makes my skin even more drier sometimes. So I use these two sunscreen which I really love, and the first one, you wouldn't believe it's my favorite, but it's my favorite now. And it's from Lakme. It's their Sun Expert Dry Matte Fluid Sunscreen. So they say it's a matte fluid sunscreen, but though it gives a skin-like finish, it is not completely matte, it is not completely dewy. It's skin-like, it's hydrating, and this SPF, it has SPF of 50 with PA4+, so it provides a broad spectrum protection to your skin and it is just so good. It's a very lightweight sunscreen. Again, I'll just show you the texture. Can you see how lightweight it is? It is so lightweight. It just blends easily on the skin. Can you see? Within second, it just blends. No white cast, keeps my skin-like and hydrated. So that's why I really love this sunscreen. It is affordable as well. So if you're looking for one good sunscreen, I can even use this during summer or winter anytime. So this is like my go-to now and it's just so good. Lakme has definitely impressed me with their skincare because I usually don't tend to move towards Lakme skin. Yeah, but this definitely impressed me and it is just so good. I have another sunscreen option if you have budget and if you love K-beauty products, then this is the one for you, and it's from Isntree. It's called their Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. So it also has SPF of 50 with PA4+, so it means that you will definitely get the broad spectrum protection to your skin. This also has a very beautiful light lotion like texture. I will definitely show you the texture, and this is how it looks like. Can you see? It's very lightweight. Can you see? And it blends very easily in seconds. Just within seconds it blends, and it also provides a very good hydrating feel to your skin. It provides a skin like finish. It is not at all heavy or greasy. Yeah, it provides a very subtle glowy skin, but it's not too dewy. That's why I really love it. So basically, under my makeup especially, I use this to keep my skin moisturized and nourished, and also keep it protected for a longer time. So this is just so good. If you have budget and if you love Korean skincare products, and this is just so good, you can definitely give it a try. Lastly, I have two lip balm recommendations that I absolutely love. Either summer or winter, we use a lip balm, but this works so well. And even if you want to use a lip balm during a winter, if you have very dry or chapped lips, you wouldn't prefer a lipstick, right? So I have two tinted lip balms that looks absolutely gorgeous on every skin tone, and it is gonna nourish your lips so well. It's gonna keep your lips moisturized, and also has a beautiful tint to your lips for that no makeup days, or a very good subtle lip look with your winter makeup looks. So I have two recommendations. First one is this indie. While this is just so good, you guys, it's so worth the price. I was really skeptical to try because of the price. This is around 700 to 800, but this is just so good. It is here Indie Wild Dewy Lip Treatment in the shade Caffeine Addict. This is such a beautiful brown shade that I really like. So let me just show you a swatch of it. So this is how the shade Caffeine Addict looks like. It's a very gorgeous coffee brown kind of a shade. It does go from sheer, and you can build up the pigmentation. So it is definitely so good, very lightweight. It is not at all sticky, and provides the right nourishment that my lip needs, and it keeps my lips moisturized for a longer amount of time. And that's why I absolutely love it. It's one of the most lightweight lip balm that gives the most nourishment to my lips. So this is just so good. Yeah, I absolutely love it. The second lip balm recommendation is from Foxtale. If you're looking for a very good, affordable tinted lip balm, and if you feel this one pricey, then this is the best alternative option that I have for you. This is Foxtale Brightening Lip Balm. It also has SPF 30. It also has peptides, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid in it. So it is a very good tinted lip balm. There are various shades in both of these, and this has some beautiful red, pink, and clear shade. Even non-tinted pink lip balm, you have an option for it in Foxtale and Indie Wild. So let me show a swatch of it again for you. So this is the shade Ruby Glaze, and this is how it looks like. Even with this, you can definitely build the pigmentation. It is again very nourishing. It is lightweight. It is not at all sticky. It provides a good nourishment for a longer amount of time for your lips, and it is just so good. From the affordable category, it is one of the best tinted lip balms I've ever tried. Yeah, this would get any rating for me. Yeah, this is so good. You can definitely give it a try. That's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page stylefitwithjanu for more such self-care, makeup, and fashion content. Also, if you like to watch this long form review videos, makeup tutorials, fashion hauls, and much more, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon, so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I'll also leave the product links along with the details in the description box below, so you can definitely check them out. And that's it for today's video, guys. Until next time, bye bye.